Alright, we're going to try and draw some spheres now. Spheres are obviously like ball style shapes. First thing you want to do is give yourself a cross like this, and that is going to be a center line. That is going to be the center of the sphere. Alright, we're going to give ourselves an ellipse because, as we know, circles don't look like circles in 3 dimensions, they look like ellipses. So you have an ellipse here, and then what you want to do is at this point and at this point is to draw as close to a circle as you can, this being the center of that circle. So this is where that's the tricky part, especially if you've got shaky hands like me. So you kind of get your spherical shape in there. Now, the contour lines that you've got here kind of give it some 3-dimensional shape. So you can bring your sphere in, you can darken in the line you want to keep. Let a little bit off. You don't have to darken these lines in because you wouldn't see them, but just having that there gives it the impression of 3-dimensional shape. Obviously shading and toning in the correct way for spheres would obviously give that some more shape and contours as well. Okay, so now that you've tried a sphere, you keep practicing spheres, different sizes, until you get it perfected. Now what you could start doing there is start using spheres as a way of generating more shapes. So if I've got this sphere here, I'm just going to use lines that kind of look similar to isometric lines that we do, kind of those 30-degree lines. I'm going to bring these edges over here, and to join those two together, I'm just going to draw an ellipse in like that. And if I start lining that in with bits that I want to keep, bring that around there. Maybe round that bit off a little. Then I've got almost like a hairdryer style shape, giving an idea of some shape at the back here. And again, as we've said, a little bit of shade and tone on that, some dark tone in here to indicate that that goes inside. You can start building that up. If you want to try a sphere on top of a sphere, do a couple on top of each other, you can start kind of getting that almost snowman like build up of shapes. Like that. Then obviously you could put some stuff on the top here to indicate there's a little bit of a recess in there. There could be something here to indicate that there's a hole in there. And suddenly you can start building up these spherical shapes to make interesting shapes as well. Maybe we could have some little legs coming from here, like that. Maybe there'd be one at the back there to indicate that it was a freestanding. It's in quite a nice lamp design, I guess. Lots of, maybe the light could come from here, and this is a freestanding lamp shape using these organic spherical shapes to build that and build it all together.